Merry Christmas, Abby. Này, ăn sao vậy? Thế nào sao vậy? Oh, look at this trash. Everything is trash. Why you laugh, Jenny? I feel like I don't want to videotape this thing. It's too trashy. Merry Christmas, Abby. I'm gonna excuse the trash in the house. Today is the 23rd. We decided to do our Christmas Eve celebration because tomorrow is Sunday. It's gonna be a busy day for everyone. So we decided to do the celebration. So open mo. Sabo ko ba? Ahora tukar rice. Dili. Dili. Where's the tukar rice? Parang tukar rice. See you? Alright. Never mind. I just used the fork. Trash in my kitchen. Yeah. One more. Already button. See this? Another pulay na. Mama pura.
Where did you go when you were?
Oh, everybody. They have to stay right now.
Tuh, dibakar. Dibakar.
I guess that.
Hurry up.
It all come with a picture.
Hurry up, Peter. Guys, sit down. Sit down. Everybody, sit down. Yes. How old are you?
What?
Okay.
So sausage with that.
Okay. Okay, you're gonna say first
Tiga-tiga.
before we start.
Oh, thank you.
Tingnan mo yung kasama ko.
And then
Okay.
wait, let's see if you guys can see this. Oh. Now wait.
Jermaine, sit
We'll
sit
turn
here
that around.
so you can get your present first. Okay?
Yeah. Wala.
With Jermaine.
Narinig po eh.
Okay. Everybody up here? Is everybody up here?
Yeah. I'm eating.
Is everybody up here?
How do you turn it around again?
Okay. Listen up, everybody.
Alright.
Come up. Come up here.
Thank you, Jermaine.
Merry Christmas to Peyton.
Dance,
Dance.
What you gonna say? Thank you.
You're welcome, Peyton.
Merry Christmas to Christy.
Where's Christy? What do you say?
Thank you.
Open. Uniform Navy SEAL.
Peyton, I cannot see you. How do we do this?
Peyton, look. Our uniform Navy SEAL God mission after church.
Ow! Denise, get off me. I need her.
Jenny.
Where's Janice?
How do you receive it from?
Janice!
Merry Christmas to you. What do you say?
Say thank you, please.
Merry Christmas to Ite. Give this to Mars.
Mars is downstairs. Mars, you need to come up and get your own. That's probably razors.
Merry Christmas to Jermaine from Santa. Merry Christmas to Celine from Santa.
You have to sing thank you in Chuukese.
Merry Christmas to Sean from Santa.
He's downstairs. He's right there.
Sean.
Merry Christmas to Connor from Santa.
Thank you very much. Can you show some? I wonder what this is.
Merry Christmas to Uncle Sendo from M3E.
You have to get up and get your own.
He's drinking coffee.
To Austin from Santa.
Thank you.
Merry Christmas to Auntie Chita
Hey, sit
from
down.
Thank you.
Beato. Sila.
Merry Christmas to Paisley from Santa.
What are you gonna say?
Merry Christmas to Christy from Santa. Merry Christmas to Janice from Santa.
Very good, very nice. Very nice.
Merry Christmas to Auntie Jenna from Santa.
Oh wow.
I'm gonna eat some.
Merry Christmas to Auntie Lily from Santa.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Merry Christmas to Auntie Lily from Santa.
Oh.
Merry Christmas to Marilyn from Santa. Where? Who's this? I don't know.
Okay, give me.
No names.
I don't know.
That was the one.
Merry Christmas to Uncle Willie from M3E.
Hopefully I'm
Merry Christmas, my friend. Give it to Sissy.
Sissy, to your
Oh,
dad.
give it.
Guys, Sam Chuukese.
Give Uncle Willie.
Okay, open.
Thank you. What?
Oh my gosh, it's shiny.
Who's this? I don't know.
For Auntie Mary.
Oh, Merry Christmas to Auntie Mary from Santa. Alright. Merry Christmas, everybody.
Thank you.
Okay, everybody clap.
Thank you.
All right. Now, if you guys want to open your presents, go downstairs.
No, I want to who's done for downstairs.
Oh my goodness. All right. Before. All right. Let's try to make space. So let's get all the chairs out. Let's get all the chairs out. Let's try to make space for everyone. Mars, move that chair. Try to. Okay, guys, try to be in your own corner so you don't get mixed up with your presents. All right. You guys back up a little bit. Back up, back up. You, Micah, back up a little bit. Back in that corner. Come on. Yeah. Yeah, Denise, come here so they don't get your presents.
Oh, is this yours?
My stuff that I ordered.
Yeah? All right, go ahead, guys. Open your presents.
Oh, you at least got a present.
I'm gonna leave my present right here. Save it for last. Oh boy. Wow, Janice. Where's Jermaine? Oh man, these kids are all excited. Okay, okay. What you guys got? What you guys got? Clothes? All right, all right. Man, oh man. Look at all of this. There goes the baby. That's my baby boy. What you got? What you got? What you got? Okay, okay, okay. Come on. I want to see it. I want to see it. I want to see it. I want to see it.
Oh my god!
You got Nike. Okay, okay. Oh, wow. Nice jacket, man. Nice jacket. Nice jacket. What you guys get? What you guys get? I don't even know what this is. Oh, look at those trucks. Oh, I can use those. I like those. Bless you. Nice, nice, nice. That's it? You got clothes? Okay. Oh, wow. Look at those. Ooh. Nice, nice, nice. North Face. Okay, okay. I see. What about you, man? Let's see what you got. Oh, nice. That's it.
Oh my gosh!
Oh, wow, Janice. Oh, let's see what Jermaine's got. Jermaine?
You can make one.
You're gonna make for all of us?
Wow.
Sissy! Oh my gosh, what do you have?
Out, Jeremy. Out, Jeremy. Oh man. Look at all the gifts and look at all the trash. Oh boy. You guys better be taking your old trash to your house. Huh? What'd you get? You think? Oh wow. Ooh. That's nice. What about you, Thelma? What'd you get?
I got clothes and
Wow. What about you, Sissy?
I got a special edition
Uh-huh.
champagne toast.
Oh wow.
And then
Nice, nice.
is this yours or mine?
Okay. That's Elston's phone. Elston, get your phone. Put it up.
Alright, dude.
You like your gifts? Elston?
Yep. Oh my gosh, I got a phone. Yo, wait, my skip.
Mars, what you get? Huh? Met die phone. Huh? Come on.
Don't even think about it.
Let's see.
Yes, sir.
What? Huh? Oh, let me see your dark face. Is that t-shirt? Let me see. Oh. Why do I? Oh, nice. Oh. Nice. Say Merry Christmas to everyone.
Merry Christmas.
Probably, Sister will be at your introduction.
Merry Christmas to everyone watching. Yeah, we are opening gifts right now. I got you smell good. That's another one thing, you gotta smell good. I got new clothes. I got comfortable Crocs.
Let me see your North Face shirt. I want to show
Get clothes, but yeah. The most important thing is we're still alive, and we're blessed to see another day. And I hope everyone's staying. I hope everyone has a great Christmas with their family. Tell your loved ones you love them. God bless you all.
Why do you have to talk like, well, Merry Christmas, everyone? Make your voice deep, like, Merry Christmas. Stop playing with me. What about you, Mars? Say hi to everyone. Hi. Merry Christmas to everyone. Merry Christmas. Okay. This really gives me a headache when I think about just all of this trash. Too many trash in the house. But look. Very fucking trash. Too much trash. Trash. But the thing is, they're having fun. What? For who? What's that for?
It's a nice one.
What's that for?
From who?
It's a speaker.
Who's this from?
Oh, it's a wow! It's a Bose? Bose? Oh! Okay. Mommy's got a Bose. This is mine. Oops. My turn. Austin, help me open my gift. Okay,
Oh, my heaviness. Okay.
let's see. That's my gift, though. I want to see what it is. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Okay, okay. Oh boy. All right, all right. I'm grateful. I'm grateful. All right. Thank you. Thank you. I know where to put this. I know that Marshall likes to smell good, so I'm gonna pair this up. I'm gonna pair this up with Marlson's. Yeah. Now you have, so you don't have to keep asking for my stuff. Yeah. Are you guys happy with your gifts?
Yeah, I'm grateful.
Huh?
I'm grateful.
That's good. You? Okay. Another North Face? Oh boy. Wow. How come there's too many people with North Face? Huh? It makes me jealous. Now I want some North Face. Oh, whose is this? What are you and Nike? Oh, okay, okay. Oh, I have a special gift for mommy. Ready to dash. Give it to mommy. Happy na po rito yung ipagi. Yeah. It's one of those DoorDash bags. Okay, come get your present from. Let's come, mommy. Give it to mommy. She's got a present from DoorDash. Open it.
It's my red bag. Wait, let me show you guys.
Yeah. She's got a bag from DoorDash. Woo, woo. Uh-oh, uh-oh.
DoorDash.
Okay. Okay, what goes with the thing?
Ooh.
Oh, wow. What do you have?
Hey.
Ooh, another credit card?
Oh, here.
We all want to see the color.
What color?
Ooh, let's see. What color?
Black.
Gold?
Very good, very nice. Very good, very nice.
Okay, Merry Christmas from DoorDash.
Thank you.
DoorDash, come on.
Show me what you got. What you get?
Okay. You open it.
Show me, where's it?
Ooh, mommy's got the latest.
Bring it so I can see.
Great.
Thank you.
Here. Oh,
Thank you.
you're welcome. Merry Christmas. And now, where's mine? You don't have anything for me?
Here.
Oh my goodness. Okay.
Who got her things?
Huh? Good job, baby. Good job. Good job, M3E.
Thank you.
Yep.
Good job. Good job. Alright guys, we're gonna close out the video. Close out the video. Yeah, say hi.
My Uber. Sponsored by Uber. It's Thanksgiving.
Sponsored by Uber Eats.
Yeah. Okay, close it up.
It's the end of the video. Merry Christmas to everyone watching. Hope you guys have a great Christmas. And don't forget to like and subscribe. And see you guys in the next video.
Thank you.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. Yeah.
Okay. Just say bye-bye.
Bye, Merry Christmas.
Okay. Just say bye, Rawson.
Bye. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.